Alright, what is up guys, and welcome to another video of me just trying to show you some easy coding stuff. Now, every time I'm learning, I'm still in the process of learning. I'm not very good yet, but hopefully I get better. Every tutorial I ever found of how to code in Java, blah blah blah, was always making the program saying hello world, and that doesn't really help you learn. Or at least for me, it didn't really teach me really anything. So I am going to put together just a whole bunch of series or videos or whatever showing you guys how to code different programs, and then you guys can start to learn how to do it and have your own style, and that you can figure out what things do and make your own program. So here I'm going to show you guys how to display time, like how do I explain this, like how many like seconds it's been since like a certain time, or like 500 seconds ago, how long was that, or 500 milliseconds. Alright, so first off, what you're going to want to do is, I usually start with this, is save as. I'll just go with display time.java. Alright, so I like to have it a .java when I first start, so it will show you when there's like an error, or if you I don't know how to explain it, but I just like doing it. So first off, what you're going to do is import the scanner. So type in import.util.scanner with a capital S. Now enter twice is good. Then type in public class, and this is where you're going to want to name your class file. So just type in whatever you named it for your .java. So display time, and don't forget your bracket. Then you're going to want to hit enter and tab. So now you should be on line 4, tabbed in, and type in the public static void. Now string. Now again, I said this in my last video, the S has to be capitalized. Alright, so this line right here, you're going to want to remember, because this line's in basically every program, basic like this. So you're going to be working with that line a lot. Now you're going to want to hit enter, tab again, so you're on line 5, double tabbed in, type in scanner. This just makes it a lot easier as well. There, see, scanner input, because you're going to want to be able to input equals new scanner system dot in. Now that has to be in your parentheses, the system.in. And then you're going to want to type in system.out system.out.println. Now this will, no, actually this isn't the println, this is just print, I believe. I don't know. You can always make an error, like if you're not 100% sure, just try it and then compile it. The compiler, if you're using Notepad++, it will tell you what line it's on usually, or it will show you the errors, so you can go back and fix it. Now you want to put this in parentheses, type in, and you have to do quotation marks as well. Type in like enter seconds and hit enter again after you got all that typed in. Now if yours looks like mine, then you're good. If you're not, you can just pause the video and look at it and make sure it looks all good, and type what I have in here. Type in int space seconds. I had to pause the video, I had a phone call, so I believe I'm here, I guess. Enter, or equals to input dot next int. So this will know to go down here. Oops. It will know to go down here to the next one. So it will take that the seconds you entered, and it will equal that to the next one. So the next one is going to divide it by 60. Can't spell it shit right now. Now, also, if you guys don't know, you can add notes, like if you wanna, so you remember what it does, like hi, you can just type in that, and it still works. The // will make it where Java, it just skips over that part. It's just for you, the coder, or if you're working for a company and someone can go back if you got like moved up in the company and you're no longer working on them programs, and there's an error or something needs to be added, they can go back and see your notes or what something does if they need to change it. Or worst case scenario, you got fired. Now here you're going to want to add the % 60. The percentage sign means the remainder, so it's going to take whatever you have is a remainder to 60. So now you want to enter. Don't forget your semicolons. Type in system.out and .println. This is the where you put println. The other one is just print. This is so it will print it out for you or the person using your program. Now you want to type in seconds plus, and then in these quotation marks, whatever you want to type in, seconds is, so they can read this part of it. This seconds over here will not be visible. It will take the seconds which you added right here, it will take this and plus it to the minutes. Well, not plus it, but I mean, it will take this and it will do all the math for you, but it will show it up here. Alright, so after you got the minutes, you're going to want to type in seconds is, can't spell worth shit right now, minutes, and it's like 3 AM or something, I don't know. Alright, so now plus symbol, remaining seconds, plus symbol again. Alright, so now yours should look similar to that. If it does, hit enter, backspace, close the bracket, enter, backspace, and another closing bracket. Now, if it's already named display time Java, you can just hit save. And we're going to do the fun part, adding a compiler. So you can just make this with a basic notepad or WordPad. If you're a lot of people don't know how to make a compiler. Eclipse is an amazing program to make a compiler with, but we're just using one file, so we might as well use a WordPad. Alright, so you're going to want to type an echo off. You can put a title if you want, compiler, and you can put color if you want. I'm just going to do random number. I don't know the color codes exactly. Echo, you can make it say something. Oops. Compiling. You can put like your business name here, whatever, like whoever, if you made a program you want credit for it, you put your stuff in there. Alright, so you're going to want to type in Java C space display time.java. That is your Java file, so it'll know what to look for. And Java C means that's the compiler, Java compile. Now for the compiler, you do not have to type in pause, but it's very recommended, because if there's an error, it will not show you the error unless you type in pause. So here you want to type in compile.bat, or I don't think you can use, the Notepad++ allows you to use the drop down menu, and there's pretty much everything there. You can name this whatever you want, but compile.bat, it just makes it simple, so you know if it's the compiler. You don't want like to name it something you don't remember which is the compiler. Alright, so now if there's any errors, it will show you. Alright, so I have an error. I forgot to put main, didn't I? Huh. Shoot. Alright, there's a very good example, I guess. It will show you the error. I get a little sidetracked, or I lose track easily when I'm talking, so I did forget to put main save. Hopefully you guys caught my error before and put it there. Alright, now, did I not space it or what? Alright, so I really don't know. It is space, I think. Sorry, it's been a while since I made a program, this calculator type program, so hopefully there's no more errors. I don't see an error in this. I don't know why that one is in there. Alright, let me go look at it. Alright, seconds. Oh, does this have to be spaced? Yeah, all of them are spaced except for that one. I must have fucked up on that one. So everything looks, shit, I put a U. So apparently I can't spell seconds, and I do that actually quite a bit. I put a U there for some reason. Alright, so there, that was a perfect example of having errors in Java. It will show you where the errors are. So we all make mistakes, especially at 3 AM if your boss has you working on a project and the deadline is tomorrow, and you're working your ass off and you're up until 3 or 4 AM trying to get it done. You're gonna make a lot of errors, so I suggest not waiting till the last minute anyway. Alright, so now we're reaching 13 minutes. I didn't want to go this long, but I'll hurry up. Echo off. I'm not going to put a title or anything this time. I'm just going to do Java. My class name is display time. And pause. Here you're going to want to pause because it will close it out. So you're going to want to pause. Alright, run.bat. Alright, so enter seconds. So I'll just do like 1 million. Alright, so I guess I should have spaced out right there. I fucked up. Or I thought I did, but So with how much did I put? 1. Fuck. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so there is, I did do 1 million. There is 16,666 minutes and 40 seconds in 1 million seconds. So yeah, that's basically how the display time calculator works. Thanks for watching, guys. I have tons and tons and tons more basic little programs like this to show you guys. Hopefully next time I won't mess up with easy stuff like that. Don't know really why I did. So thanks for watching, and I will probably take all my programs that I make, put them in a file, so then you guys can actually go through, look at them, edit them, whatever you want, practice with them. I don't really know what you want, but thanks for watching, and subscribe. I have tons more. I'm starting out with the easy ones, and I'm gonna get down to the harder ones, bigger ones. So thanks for watching.